Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do an Accordion Comb Basic. Knowing how to do accordion combs already would be really useful, so something like Accordion Comb Walks would be a really good one to know, and knowing how to do something like a first move basic would be really helpful because that means you're going to be familiar with the basic footwork. I'll put links to those in the description below so it's easy and quick for you to find them. Jumping straight in, it looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. Or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So let's break it down. It starts off with an entrance into an accordion. We go back, we offer the hand. We're going to send the lady out to the right. So we're looking to be in an accordion with the right hand high and the left hand low. Now we're going to bring the lady over to the left. So she's heading out to our left, guys. The left goes up, the right goes down. As the lady does that, we walk forwards and turn to our left. So the left hand can then come over our head. The right can go over the lady. So we've walked to the lady's left side. We do a sway back. So guys are going back left, ladies are going back right. We're weighting that, and then it's basic footwork, which basically means we cut across in front of our partner and go turn right. We bring the lady with us to go turn right, and then we twist out. Rock, step, repeat goes turn right, twist out. We're going to walk the lady straight forwards, hands coming off, and then it's just going to be return out to the front and back. Or of course you could join it into an accordion combs. So you could do the accordion comb walk and add one of these in at the start or the end. So let's think about that again from the other side. And this time we're also going to think numbers. So we go back and offer 1, sweep 2, look 3, sweep 4, comb 5, sway 6, turning 7, twist out 8, turning 1, twist out 2, walking 3, return 4, and back 5. So now we've got that kind of all lined up. Let's try it together. Here we go. 5, 6, Accordion Comb Basic. It's offer, sweep, look, sweep, combs, sway, turn, twist, over, return, and out. And that is the whole thing. Hope you find that one useful out on the dance floor. Do like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Liking promotes me in the channel. Thank you. Subscribing promotes the channel even more. Big thank you to everyone who does that. And if you hit the notifications bell, then you're going to get told every time a new video comes out, providing they're turned on in your settings. Music recommendation on the end in the windows that come up in the last few seconds of the video. So this basically a link to a music video, which will be something nice to practice this to. As always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.